Hi everybody, Luke Royce here with you for your closing market comments on Monday, June 15th. The markets closed the day mixed with beans and corn lower and wheat higher on the day. In the early session, the markets were lower across the board with fears of new spike in the COVID-19 cases. The US, Japan, and China all reported higher levels of the virus, with China reporting the first activity in Beijing. Fund positions on corn remains very short, with traders short over 300,000 contracts and coming up on the all-time record. They are short just over 3,000 contracts of beans and 43,000 contracts of wheat. The USDA did announce another sale of 390,000 metric tons of beans for the 2021 crop year, and rumors continue to flow that China is still looking for additional beans. North Dakota crude oil production for April was down 15% from the previous month, and the NOPA soybean crush was released today with May crush at 169.584 million bushels. This was down from last month, but still a new record for the month of May. Soybean oil stocks were lowered and were down from last month and below the estimate. IEG Advantage released their updated acreage for the 2021 season. They have corn at 94.13 million acres, down 2.86 from the March USDA report and 30,000 below last month. Soybeans were at 85.525 million acres, up just over 2 million acres from the USDA, but down 365,000 from last month. Hard red spring wheat acres were 12.74 million, up 150,000 from March and 200,000 higher than last month. Weekly exports were released with corn at 35.8 million bushels, soybean exports at 13.8 million bushels, and wheat shipments were at 16.3 million bushels. For a more detailed look at the numbers, be sure to check out our grain page on our website. The dollar, gold, and silver were all down today, while crude oil was down early before rallying to close up 82 cents on the day. Stocks were similar, trading down early, but have rallied late in the day to close higher. The Dow futures are up 221, NASDAQ up 138, and the S&P up 30. Weekly crop conditions were released today at 4. Corn's at 95% emerged, up from last week, last year, and the average. Corn conditions were 71% good to excellent, down from last week, but still better than last year. Soybean planting was 93%, up from last week, last year, and above the average. And soybeans emerged were 81%, up from last week, last year, and the average as well. Soybean conditions were rated 72% good to excellent. Spring wheat is rated 81% good to excellent, down from last week and up from last year. Winter wheat was rated 50% good to excellent, down from the last week and year. And winter wheat harvest is plugging along still, as they are rated 15% complete, up from last week and last year, and on par with the 5-year average. For those of you who are delivering beans into Louis Dreyfus at Claypool, they will be closed for maintenance starting tomorrow at 7 o'clock, 7 in the morning, until 7 a.m. on Wednesday, June 17th. Please check before hauling beans in there on the 17th as well. So thank you for watching and enjoy the rest of your day.